Good morning. It is Saturday morning and we've got a little extra time before Frank goes into work. So we are going to head into South Haven to go to the local farmers market to see what they have.
It's about a 15-minute drive from the campground, so it shouldn't take us that long to get there.
So come along and let's see what we can find. That's Six Chicks is a very good little restaurant for breakfast. They're only open until the early part of the afternoon. I think it's only for breakfast and brunch time frame.
So like maybe 2 o'clock.
Yeah. See if we can find some parking. It gets kind of crowded down here on market day. There's a car show in town. Look at that beauty. We made it to the farmer's market. We got some food. It's cute. They've got all the fruits and vegetables painted on the side of the building. The coffee shop. Oh boy. It's still season for asparagus right now too, so you see that a lot up here. Got some rhubarb pies. Oh, Dutch farm market. I've gone to some Dutch farm markets. Oh, look at the mugs. Isn't that beautiful? $36. Oh, we've got some Petoskey stones.
There's also a little bowl of them up there that were 20, and
these are already
smaller leather
polished up. They're hard to find. Oh my goodness, look at the goats. And they've got a place for hay tip jar to feed the goats. And look at the lettuce. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the fresh radishes. It's called a French breakfast radish. These are pretty.
Yeah, they are
I've never
pretty.
seen this. Oh, and then garlic scapes. These are what come up. You plant your garlic in the fall, and then in the springtime, in early summer, you get the garlic scapes. I think I'm going to get some of these French breakfast radish. Oh, thank you. Okay, I just want the radishes, and then I'm going to get a thing of, I think the sassy. Let's do the spring mix. Yeah.
10, 15, 20. Those new bills.
Perfect. Thank you so much. You just printed them this morning, didn't you?
Right.
Thank you. Some aprons. I've got some for little kids. And then Mama. Oh, look at the little pot holder. That's adorable. This is a really nice farmer's market. People. Fresh eggs. It's not bad, $6 a dozen for farm eggs, considering how much they are just in the grocery store. Beautiful tomatoes. Hi! Look at those.
Yes. Okay. $9.50.
$9.50. How about 10? And then I can just put it down in our bag. Did you want to keep your little basket or?
No, you can dump it in your thing. You can do whatever.
Okay. Well, I'll just set it right down in our bag we've got here.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
You too. The beautiful flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? Shea butter soaps. Bug away lotion. I've bought some beef from them before and it's absolutely amazing.
Same. I want like a fresh.
That was good. We got some good finds, I think.
Yep, we did. It was a fun farmer's market. A lot more crafts, breads, and things like that. Not a lot of vegetables this time of year.
No, not really. Thank you.
Still early in the summer, though.
Yeah, you're not wrong. That's one of the reasons I love him. He's gotten my door ever since the very beginning. So this is my little haul from the farmer's market. I got some Michigan strawberries, which are a little bit smaller than what you typically get from Florida or California, but they are some of the sweetest, most flavorful strawberries. Then we've got a little bit of fresh spring mix there. I went and picked up those radishes and a bunch of asparagus. So I'm going to make myself a little salad for lunch. Thank you for joining us. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and a little subscribe if you want to see more content. Bye, y'all.